What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you exactly how I set up my automated trading system from scratch. I'm gonna show you exactly how to open a trading account and how to set it up on your MetaTrader 4. And by the end of the video, you'll understand exactly how I run my setup. So keep watching, guys. So the first thing that we're gonna do is, if you are new to trading, this is how you create a trading account using the best broker, Just Markets. You're just gonna search Just Markets, should be that one, and then you're gonna click on register. I'm gonna register, and then it should take you to this. Then you are going to write down your email. Write down any email that you're gonna use. I'll just use this one for now. Do all the security check. The reason why I use Just Markets is because it has smooth execution and they have good spreads, and they just EA friendly. They allow trading bots, so you won't have to worry about running a trading bot on Just Markets. So after you are done, right, you are gonna be here, and then you just have to complete verification and upload your ID document and bank statement to for proof of residency. But after doing that, right, you're gonna come here. It's either gonna create a real account or a demo account. For now, let's just create a demo account. Right, you're gonna click on demo, open new account, and you're gonna get these options. You're gonna see MT5 or MT4. We're gonna pick MT4, right? And then we are gonna open. You're gonna press on try demo for the standard account. We use standard account or the standard sent account, but for this thing we're gonna just use the standard account. We're gonna click on try demo, and then once you're here, you're gonna pick the currency that you wanna trade in. I like using ZAR, and you're gonna pick the leverage. So for the bot that I'm using, I use the leverage 1:50. 1:50. That's the leverage I use for the bot, right? Then you're gonna create your trading password, right? Whatever. After you created the trading password, okay, let me just put in my password. After you have created the password, you can set the amount. When we are trading the standard account, I always suggest you use $100 or more. So if you're gonna use $100 here, it would be 1.7, right? Then you're gonna click on create account, and it's gonna load. So it says synchronization failed. Just refresh the page. I don't know why it's doing that, but after creating it, it should show the account balance there. But once you have created your account, right, this is the next step that we're gonna do. So guys, the next step is to download MetaTrader 4, and just go on your Google search and search for IC Markets MetaTrader 4, and this will pop up. You just click on that, it should take you to the IC Markets platform and then download MetaTrader 4, right? After you get MetaTrader 4, then the next step is to connect your trading account to MetaTrader 4, right? Then that's what we're about to do now. So the next step that we're gonna be doing is connecting your trading account to your MetaTrader 4 app, right? For this example, I'm gonna use the other MetaTrader app that I have. I have two. So this is how you're gonna connect your trading account. You're going to go to File here. You're gonna say open a trading account, right? This is gonna pop up bunch of servers. You're gonna click here by the green plus. You're gonna click there. Add just markets because that's the broker that we're gonna be using, and press enter. It's gonna search for the just market servers and then they will pop up here. So depending on the account that you opened, you're gonna get the server with the account details on the email that the broker is gonna send you. So for this example, we're gonna be using just markets demo, right? You're gonna click on just markets demo. You're gonna click next. We have an existing trading account, so you're gonna press on existing trading account. You're gonna put in the login details here, which you're gonna get on the email, right? You're gonna enter the login details here, and you're gonna enter the password of your trading account right here, and click on save password so it saves the password. And then you're gonna click on finish, and then it should load up the trading account onto your thing, right? And then the next step right now is to connect the bot to MetaTrader. So when you purchase the bot from me, right, you're gonna get a zip file of the bot saying Scalper PRO EA, and once you have unzipped the folder, this is what's gonna pop up, right? You're gonna get the file of the bot, and you're gonna get settings as well, and installations instructions, right? So this is how you're going to install the bot onto MetaTrader 4. You're gonna go to MetaTrader, right? You're gonna go to file. You're gonna click on open data folder. You're gonna wait for that to load, right? Gonna wait for it to load. After it loads, you're gonna click on MQL4, right? Gonna wait. You're gonna click on experts. Gonna wait, and then all of this will show up. These are all the bots on your MetaTrader platform, right? So you're gonna go to the folder that you got from me. You're gonna copy the Scalper PRO EA.ex4. Make sure it's the Scalper PRO EA.ex4. You copy that. You go back to that experts folder, and then you paste it into this folder. I already pasted mine. It's already there. You paste it, right? After pasting it, you go back to your MetaTrader 4. It won't be here yet, so you right click on an open space, and then you click on refresh. You click refresh. It's gonna refresh, and then the bot will pop up here. After the bot has popped up there, right, we're gonna move to the next step, which is applying the settings on the pair that you want to trade. So the next step, right, is to apply the settings onto the bot, right? So you are going to open up the chart that you want to trade. Let's say, for an example, we always trade Euro GBP with the bot. So you're gonna look for Euro GBP. You're gonna open the chart window, right? I like making my charts look nice, so I just put on a template. This is how I like my charts to look, right? So you're going to load the bot on, right? This is gonna pop up. This is what's gonna pop up, and you're gonna press on load. This is gonna load up. You're gonna go to the folder that I sent you, right? Gonna click on that folder. Then these are the settings for the bot depending on the risk that you want to take on in the market, right? I like using the standard account setting for my standard accounts, right? With the $100 deposit and 1:50 leverage. So I click on it, right? It's gonna load, it's gonna configure the settings, and then you press on OK. Then it's gonna connect to the EA, and then if you have money in the account, obviously, or trades are gonna immediately open. It's gonna immediately open trades. So yeah, that's how you turn the bot on. And I just wanted to add one thing, is that risk management is very, very important, guys. Even with automation, and because a lot of people blow accounts because they take on too much risk, and the bot ends up blowing the account, and then people blame the bot, and whereas you didn't use proper risk management, because with proper risk management you will still make money in this industry. You get what I mean? So use proper risk management, guys. Go on ChatGPT. If you don't understand your trading bots like that, go on ChatGPT, ask it to create you a proper setting for the amount that you want to trade with, so that you don't blow your accounts easily. The goal is to survive for a long time in the markets, and the consistency to compound. That is the goal. We're not trying to get rich overnight here. So yeah, guys, that's what I wanted to add. Oh, and I wanted to show you guys another thing that we've been working on. Let me just show you real quick. I would like to introduce, guys, the CashCoachPro AI. This is basically an AI chart scanner and trading assistant all in one, all at the access of your phone. So how it works is you pick the time frame you want to use, right? 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, 1 day. I would suggest the 1 hour time frame, right? You choose which asset you want, or you put it on auto, so it just detects any type of currency that you send. So what you're gonna do is, to upload a chart, right, you need to do a screenshot. So I already have a screenshot just for an example. I'm gonna click on upload chart, right, and then we're gonna look for a screenshot real quick. I'll just take this one. So you upload, and then it scans. It's gonna give you a signal, and it gives you a buy signal. It even gives you a stop loss, gives you a take profit, gives you the risk to reward ratio, even gives you a second take profit, and gives you the reason why it takes that trade, right? So this is a very useful thing to have. So also another cool thing is, after, you can basically mark your outcome, like if you won that trade, if you got break even, or if you lost that trade. And you can copy this and send it to whoever you want to send a signal to. You can easily copy it and share it. And Also, you get access to stats to keep track on the accuracy of the chart scanner, to see if you're winning trades, if you're losing the trades, and it will give you feedback on what you should trade, what you should change. It will give you your losses, wins, your win rate, average risk to reward ratio, your consistency score. And we also added a prop firm calculator for my prop firm traders, right? So let's say you're trading a 100k account with a 5% daily loss, 10% max daily loss, 10% max loss, 8% profit target. It will tell you exactly what lot size you should use. Like, this is a very dope app for traders who need help, with trading, just to make things easier for traders out there. So yeah, man, that's just what we've been working on. And if you wanna get access to this app, you can check the link in my description, or I'll probably put it in the comment box, because I can't put links yet on my description. But yeah, on the comment box you'll get the link to join my WhatsApp group, and to get access to this tool right here, and to get access to the trading bot. I also have a free community where I post live results and live insults and live insights, and basically updates, bro. I post everything in that group. If you want to join the group, click the link in the comment box below. And if you want more of these videos, please support the boy and subscribe and like, and check out my socials at Snow for Real with the X. The O is an X. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and till the next video, danko.